This video will run through the basics of the Reports tab, more specifically, creating a report and setting report parameters. We will demonstrate how to generate a simple report and explain how the report creation feature works. Reports can be presented in table or graph format. They can be viewed in a browser window or exported. To start working with reports, click on its heading in the top panel. The Reports panel is divided into 4 sections. The top left area displays report parameters. The bottom left area displays report templates. The top right area displays maps, charts, or tables. The bottom right area displays the report itself in either table or chart format. To adjust the size of each section, simply click and drag a border up or down, left or right. To generate a report, you need to set the parameters. We will walk you through this process step by step. The first step is to create a report. Click on the New button in the Report Template section. A new report template pop-up window will appear. Enter the name of the report. For example, Parking Time Report. Then select the type of report. For example, Unit Group. You have now set up the basis for your report. Next, we will see 3 buttons: Contents, Settings, and Bind. These represent 3 different control points. We will cover Contents and Settings only. You will also see the following buttons: New Table, New Chart, and Statistics. We recommend using the Statistics setting if you plan to export, print, or email your report. The Statistics setting will generate a covering page for your report and also provide a summary of the report content. Click on the Statistics button to open a pop-up window where you can add the report name, the group of units included in the report, the starting interval and ending interval for the report, and the execution time of the report. Once you've added the required data, click OK. This will return you to the new report template window. Next, click the New Table button to open a pop-up window. A report can contain multiple tables. For this example, we will just use one. Select the type of table from the drop-down list. For example, Parkings. You can edit the name of the table if you need to. Next, add the columns that you want to include from the list. For example, select Beginning. Rename this column Parking Start. Select End and rename as Parking End. Select Duration and rename as Park Time. Lastly, select Location. To rearrange the order of columns, select the Drag Up and Drag Down icon. This will move the column up or down the list. Next, format rows by clicking on the Settings button. Rows are formatted by creating groupings. Under the Parameters heading, you will see the Add Grouping green plus icon. Click on the icon and add 2 groupings from the drop-down list. First, select Unit, then select Date. You will see 2 new rows displayed below groupings. Under the Settings heading, select Detailization. This will separate each parking into individual rows. Finally, select Row Numbering. This will help you to read the table. Click OK in the bottom right of the window to ensure all changes are saved. Next, click on the Settings button in the new Report Template window. Expand the map output options and select parking meters and trip routes. This is additional information that you will see in the report reading video. Click OK to save the changes. The report template will now appear in the Reports Template section in the bottom left area of the panel. Now you will be able to create a report template and set report parameters. You should feel confident navigating the Reports tab. Check out our knowledge base at any time if you would like to learn more.